So we have a quadratic equation, and even though it looks very convenient that the left-hand side is factored, unfortunately, it's not going to help because this other side has to be 0. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to expand this, then subtract 24, and then factor. So when we FOIL, we get x squared minus 6x minus 8x is minus 14x, and negative 8 times negative 6 is plus 48. And then we subtract the 24 to reduce one side to 0. And so we get x squared minus 14x plus 24. Okay. So the terms are organized by degree, and the leading coefficient is 1, which means this expression is ready for completing the square. So let's do that. Half of the linear coefficient is negative 7. So x minus 7 squared is the complete square to push this forward. So x minus 7 squared, when we expand, is going to be x squared. Minus 7x will give us minus 14x. And negative 7 squared is 49. So here we are. This is a complete square. This is our expression, and they have the same first and second terms. The only thing that's missing is the third term. So to complete the square, we're going to smuggle that in. So we have x squared minus 14x. We leave some space, plus 24. Now we're just going to add 0 to this expression by adding 49 and immediately subtracting 49 to undo the damage, so to speak. Now we're up to 5 terms out of the 3. The first 3 gets absorbed into the complete square, which now we know that x squared minus 14x plus 49 happens to be the same as x minus 7 squared. And we have to combine negative 49 and 24. That's negative 25. And that's good news because 25 is a square, so eventually you're not going to need this line. So in the difference of squares theorem, if A is played by x minus 7 and B is played by 5, we have x minus 7 plus 5, x minus 7 minus 5 for the two factors. So this expression will factor into x minus 7 plus 5, x minus 7 minus 5. And now we're just going to combine like terms to clean up the factors. We have x minus 2 and x minus 12. So applying the zero product rule, the two solutions of this equation are 2 and 12. And 2 and 12 make sense here because they add up to 14 and their product is 24. However, when we check, we should always, without exception, go to the first line. Let's check with 2. If x is 2, 2 minus 8 is negative 6, and 2 minus 6 is negative 4, and negative 6 times negative 4 is indeed 24. So we're good on that. And when x is 12, then 12 minus 8 is 4, and 12 minus 6 is 6, and that product is also 24. And once we kind of see how a product can be 24 in two fundamentally different ways, the positive times positive and the negative times negative. So our solution is correct. The two solutions are 2 and 12. Thank you for watching.